This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on a Dell laptop. First, let's ensure your Dell laptop is ready. Minecraft requires a decent system, so check your specifications. You'll want at least 8 GB of RAM and a modern processor for a smooth experience. Make sure your operating system is updated and you have sufficient storage space, ideally at least 1 GB for the game itself. Next, you'll need to acquire the game. Visit the official Minecraft website to purchase either the Java or Bedrock edition. Once purchased, download the Minecraft launcher. This small application will guide you through the installation process. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, and the game files will be set up on your Dell laptop, usually taking only a few minutes. To ensure the best experience on your Dell laptop, optimize your in-game settings. Access the video settings within Minecraft and lower the render distance to around 8 to 10 chunks. This significantly reduces the strain on your graphics card. You can also turn off fancy graphics and smooth lighting. For older laptops, consider installing performance mods like Optifine to boost your frame rates even further. Finally, it's time to play. Open the Minecraft launcher on your Dell laptop and log in using your Microsoft account. Select the game version you wish to play, typically the latest release, and click the play button. The game will load, and you can then create a new world or join an existing one. Enjoy exploring, building, and surviving in the expansive and creative world of Minecraft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.